Hello everyone. Welcome to another art tutorial with Udocreatives. I'm a huge fan of the Jujutsu Kaisen anime. And so today, we will be doing a simple nail art tutorial and demonstrating how to draw the Maximum Uzumaki technique that Geto uses. This tutorial is beginner friendly and uses basic materials, which I will add in the description below. First thing I will do is add black nail polish using my standard brush. Next, I will add some blooming gel. I am using blooming gel to give a disperse effect for when I add more colors. Next, I will draw a spiral-like pattern. For this, I will be using my pointed brush to apply white nail polish. Notice how the white slightly disperses when added. This is because of the blooming gel layer. Pointed brushes give you a good amount of precision when doing nail art. Ideally, you can stop here. But as always, I always like to push the boundaries and show you guys that experimentation is okay. So I will add my own little touch. I am using my standard brush to add sky blue glittered gel polish. This will give a starry effect. Finally, because why not? I'm going to use my pointed brush to add golden glittered gel polish to the spiral outlines. And there you have it. My own little representation of Geto's Maximum Uzumaki. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to experiment with more designs and patterns. Please like this video and subscribe to Udocreatives for more art content.